Many people today find Jordan Peterson's advice to clean your room both simple and powerful. It's practical, tangible, and serves as an entry point to personal responsibility and order. For many, it's the first step toward creating a structured, meaningful life. But what if cleaning your room is only the beginning? What if the true transformation starts when you go beyond the surface and begin confronting the deeper, internal mess that's mirrored in your surroundings? Cleaning your room can certainly bring a sense of order, but it doesn't address the root causes of disorder within your mind and emotions. We all have moments where we find ourselves cluttered not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. The mess in your room might be a reflection of a deeper, unresolved chaos within. The next step is not just about tidying up the physical space, but about developing the awareness to see your internal chaos for what it is and learning to deal with it consciously. The real work of transformation begins when you observe not just the room you are cleaning, but the thoughts, feelings, and habits that are driving your actions. What made the room so cluttered in the first place? Why do you feel resistant to tidying up, or perhaps even anxious in the face of a messy space? These are not trivial questions. They speak to the deeper parts of your psyche, the automatic behaviors that go unnoticed. Instead of simply pushing through the task, take a moment to pause and observe. Notice the patterns, the distractions, and the reasons behind your behavior. What cleaning your room could evolve into, then, is a more profound practice of self-observation. Each moment of action becomes an opportunity to learn about yourself. Why you procrastinate, why you avoid responsibility, or why external order brings you peace. As you clean, you are not simply putting items away, you are actively engaging in the process of self-remembering. You begin to observe your thoughts, understand your impulses, and recognize the underlying beliefs that govern your actions. This internal shift, moving from external order to internal awareness, has the potential to reshape how you engage with every aspect of your life. It's not just about the act of tidying a room, it's about aligning your external world with the internal world that you are working to harmonize. Cleaning becomes a practice of growth, where each action is done with mindfulness and purpose, helping you integrate the fragmented parts of yourself into something more whole. But this isn't always easy, and it won't provide the instant gratification of a clean room. It requires patience and a willingness to face uncomfortable truths about your habits, your distractions, and your tendencies. But this is where the true transformation happens, not in achieving an ideal state of order, but in the process of becoming more conscious, more present, and more intentional in your daily life. For those already familiar with Peterson's advice, this deeper approach can serve as the natural next step. Cleaning your room might provide the structure you need to start, but true personal growth requires you to look beyond the surface and question the deeper causes of your disorder. Once you master the external order, you can begin to tackle the inner disarray with the same level of attention, awareness, and responsibility. The challenge, of course, is that this process isn't as simple as tidying a room. It takes time, self-discipline, and a commitment to facing your own inner workings. But in the long run, it's this deeper level of awareness that will bring about lasting change, not just in your room, but in your life as a whole. By going beyond the surface, you engage in a more profound kind of self-development that transforms not just the environment around you, but your very approach to living.